Welcome all of you students. In this lesson, I want to explain code syntax. Right. Open program.c sharp. This is the main class. Right. It contains main method. This main method is the place that start your project run. Right. Your code run top to bottom inside this main method. Right. In first part, in top of the class, you can see some namespaces added. Right. These two namespaces I created, and these namespaces comes with project. Right. These are also namespaces. Actually, this system in this project use only this system namespace. Other namespace are not highlighted. Right. Only highlighted namespace is system. Actually, we use this console.readline. This console comes with this system namespace. How can I identify that? Okay, with holding your control key comes to here, or right click on console, go to definition. You can use both, go to definition. Now you can see this is the namespace. Right. Under this system namespace, it has class called console. Right. There is a static class called console. That console class has many methods. Right. We import this namespace and use this class and class dot methods. Right. If we use this static keyword, we don't need to create object. Right. That's why we use statics. If we not use this static keyword, we must create object from this console class and access this method with that object name dot dot, like that. Right. But in here we use this static keyword. Now I don't need to create object. We can directly use this class name dot method name. Right. This way, console dot write line. Right click on write line and go to definition. This is write line. Right. This is under console class. Right. Then these are also namespaces. Right. This console dot write line or read line comes with this system namespaces. Right. I introduced what is namespaces in previous part. Right. I create a class and inside it has method called main method. Actually, in your project it has only one main method. Right. This main method is the place that your code running start. Right. In this main method also we declared with static. This is static type method, and use void. Void is a return type. Actually, when we create a method, it has return type. Return type means when execute some method, it should return some value to the outside. Right. According to the return type. If we use void return type, that kind of method return nothing. If we use another kind of return types, we must return something, right? If I use int type, I must return integer type something, right? Otherwise it will get compile error. But in main method it should be void. With main method accept string type argument, right? We said this is array. This main method, when this main method call, it need string type arguments. You can use any name instead of args, right? It doesn't matter, but args or argument is the standard name, right? String type, actually string array. This is the array. Array is the another concept I should explain and practice you with arrays in later lessons, right? These are the basic coding syntax. If you want to use console.writeLine, hello world. Actually this console, this system name space help this kind of console functions, right? We can use write line. We can write something in console and read something with user inputs, right? These things, right? I think now you have some idea about syntax. Okay, remember these things. These are namespaces, right? This will be user created one or system one, right? It has namespaces and classes and methods, right? This is a special method called main method. Main method must be static, right? These things are the basic syntax. I think you get some idea behind the basic syntax, right? I just want to get some idea, right? In later lessons we practice you with much coding examples, then you will be a better programmer, definitely, right? That's it for this video. Let's move into next lesson.